Hello, my name is Bill Simon. I'm with W.H. Simon and Company CPAs. I'm the founder of the firm. I have 15 years of experience with the Internal Revenue Service, primarily as a top-level manager or an executive. Subsequent to that, I was a tax partner in one of the international accounting firms and opened this practice in excess of 25 years ago solely to work in the area of representing clients before the Internal Revenue Service. Today, I'd like to speak with you concerning the mistakes that many people make in engaging a representative to help them with their tax problems. In an earlier tax series we went over some of the common mistakes that are made, and I would like to refine those mistakes a little bit and talk about some additional areas that you should be aware of in engaging a representative. First of all, know who is going to represent you. The person you're speaking to on the phone many times is not the person who will actually be representing you before the Internal Revenue Service. Keep in mind that only a CPA, an attorney, or an enrolled agent can legally represent you before IRS. Therefore, those people talking with you may or may not have those credentials. It is important, one, that you have the name and the professional credentials of the person who is actually going to represent you before the Internal Revenue Service. Second, know what their experience is. Know how much experience they have actually representing people before IRS. This is a different type of practice than your normal accountant or attorney or CPA would be involved in, for example, in preparing tax returns or doing tax research or structuring business transactions. This is a very specialized area. Critical that they have this experience. And lastly, I would like to share with you a concern that I have when so many people talk about the promises that they receive from other representatives. Promises, quite frankly, that are usually not kept, and then the client ends up in my office saying, XYZ promised me this result and they didn't get it. We don't promise people results other than in a general sense that we promise them the best results legally possible under the tax laws and under the regulations and under the rules that IRS operates under. Promises many times are not kept, particularly if they're unrealistic promises, and therefore make sure you understand what they're promising you. And if they're going to make those promises, have them give you those promises in writing so that you can, in fact, see what they're really promising you. That's critical. I thank you for your attention regarding this subject matter. If you would like to look at other series of videos that we do in the area of tax controversy, please feel free to visit our YouTube channel where we will continually update these, and there's new series usually appears every week to 10 days. If you would like to discuss your tax problem and the hiring of a representative with someone in my office, probably myself or my partner who has extensive IRS experience, please feel free to contact us at the email address below. I look forward to hearing from you. Thank you.